So one of our big focuses to try and drive down costs for large production is the adoption of automation technologies. So traditionally, there might be a lot of operations that happen to parts after they're outside of the machine or even between machines. Some more complex parts in an older manufacturing environment might jump between 2 to 4 different machines to be complete. We're really trying to focus on a one and done approach. So we really want to take a raw material and put it in the machine and have it come out part complete. Some of the ways that we're doing that is through the adoption of mill turns. So we have multiple 9-axis mill turn machines. So these are very capable to take that raw material in, finish the part, and put it out. We've also adopted robotic automation in some parts of the business, again, to help kind of tend to the multi-axis machines. This allows our machinists to really focus on some of the bigger picture items, making sure that we're picking tooling that's optimal for the part that'll last a long time, preparing for the next part, etc. The big focus is trying to make sure that the machine is running as much as possible. And by doing that, it ultimately helps us drive our costs down so that we can then achieve both high volume as well as economical production for our customers.